Wolves welcome Liverpool to Molineux on Thursday evening and will look to become the first side to take all 3 points from them this season. The home side secured their first league win in 4 matches when they came back from 2-0 down to beat Southampton 3-2. At home, Wolves are undefeated in 17 of their last 19 Premier League games, and it's Liverpool who've moved 16 points clear at the top of the Premier League table and have been winning at half-time and full-time in their last 9 league matches, and have also kept a clean sheet in their last 7 Premier League games. Klopp's men have lost 2 of their last 5 meetings with Wolves, however both of those did come in the FA Cup, with Liverpool winning the other 3 league ties.